Hello, my name is Isma. Today I'm going to give you 5 things that you should know before you start trading stocks. Decide your trading strategy and trading plan. In other words, you should know which trading strategy are you going to use, and you should also make sure that you structure your trading plan before you actually start trading your stocks. Get knowledge about trading. So you should know about trading. You should learn how to trade. Okay, that is knowing the technicals, the fundamentals about different companies, such that you can probably know when to buy, when to sell, why, and for so many reasons, why you're actually doing a buy, a long, or a short. Select a broker. It's actually number 4. Know which broker you're going to use, why, and their regulations. Start researching stocks. Which companies are you going to actually trade? Which companies do you think are good for trading? Okay, so it's very important you know which companies you're going to invest in after knowing how to trade and all that. Be patient and learn how to control your emotions, because this is something to do with finance. So you have to be patient. You have to be you should actually have an iron discipline when you are trading, because there are times which are actually going to be good and bad. So controlling your emotion is highly critical when you are actually trading the stock market. Thank you for watching. Hope you've learned from this video. I stay Sewa Kambo Isma. I sign out. Bye bye.